Hey guys, a friend of mine asked me what was the best month or season to travel to Australia. February might not be the best month to travel here because it's actually slightly cooler than January in most places, but not noticeably so. Whilst average heights in coastal cities like Sydney and Melbourne don't look extremely high on paper, at around 78 Fahrenheit, which equals to 25 Celsius, it's not unusual for them to experience heat waves with temperatures of more than 100 Fahrenheit, which equals to 37 Celsius. So, the best time to visit Sydney are